Naalala niyo na po ba, Undersecretary Cabral?
I guess I clearly remember, Your Honor. I think there was an interview that time.
No, it's just a question of a yes or a no. You remember it or no? Because it's
Yes, Your
it's an
Honor.
actual quote.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yes, you remember, or yes, you don't remember?
I don't remember
No, I'm
exactly.
confronting with you. I'm confronting you with the actual quote. So the only question there is, do you remember stating that quote, or you do not remember stating that quote?
I remember, Your Honor.
You remember stating that quote, and if you remember stating that quote, do you confirm the information in that quote? That you confirm those amounts na nabanggit, excuse me, let me finish, amounts na nabanggit ninyo noong 2020, 2021, 2022. Base po sa NEP ng DPWH at yun pong GAA sa distritong ito. Therefore, the distrito po of Congressman Paulo Duterte ay tama po, and we confirm those budget.
Yes, Your Honor.